Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to download and install Python, and after that you can start your Python coding. So I will explain you how you can start your Python coding. So let's get started. First, what you have to do, you have to search Anaconda Python download on Google. So I would suggest don't direct download Python. There is a software name is Anaconda which can give you a Python with a software where you can code your program and run the program. It's like it included the compiler or interpreter. So that's why we use Anaconda for Python coding. So first you have to download Anaconda. So just search on Google Anaconda Python download and then click on this official website anaconda.com. Make sure it's a official website. If you have ads on the top, then ignore them. Click on the organic first search. After that, you can see this link here anaconda.com/download, and here you can download. If you are window user, then you can simply get this download button with window icon, and if you Apple, so according to the your device, it will show you the download button. So you don't need to specifically search for window, Apple, and etc. So you can download, and after the download you can start installing. No customization is required. On first step it will show you the I agree button, so you have to agree this, and after that you have to select the installation type. So you want to use it as a individually, so you can just select just me and then to the next button. After that you have to choose the installation location. So I think by default it takes C drive. After that, advanced installation options, you can see you can select register Anaconda as my default Python 3.7 and then install it. So installation process will start soon, and then you can see these options. You can check these options and finish this. Okay, all right. So now how you can start your Python? Just search Anaconda navigator, then you can open it. So you can open the Anaconda software. So in the Anaconda navigator you can find so many options. Here you need to choose the notebook. This one is the notebook. Then click on the launch button of the Jupyter notebook is a software, we can say software. It's a compiler of Python where you write a code and run the program. So if you open it a second time, you don't need to go to the Anaconda and then navigator, then you don't need to launch again. So it's a first time process. After in the second time and more, what you will do, you just search on Jupyter, and Jupyter notebook you can directly open. So apart from Jupyter notebook, there are some more software which you can use. PyCharm, and PyCharm is a software, and it's paid, but in a free version you can do a lot of things, and it provides color coding and pre-suggestions. So it's very helpful and it makes your programming easy. But generally people use Jupyter notebook. It's very popular, so I would suggest you use Jupyter notebook. And now is a Google Colab. It's a online tool. It's like an online tool. I will show you how it looks. So it's a online URL where you can use Google Colab, or you can directly search on Google Colab, and you can use it directly. So in industry, mostly Google Colab are used majorly. And last option is online Python compiler or interpreter. You simply search on Google online Python compiler or interpreter, and you can find so many online websites where you can write a code and run the Python code. So Google Colab look like this, collab.google, and you can click on new notebook and then you can start coding. And this is PyCharm, it will look like this. And Python file, keep this extension .py, so keep it in mind. And here you can write your code and save your code. So this is how you work, and you can run from here. This is the run button, and here in the bottom you can see the output. And thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next video I will explain you how to use Jupyter notebook and how to write a program. So first program we will write in the next video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.